Information from Land Registry can be very useful when it comes to complying with the money laundering regulations and consumer protection regulations. As a government resource, it can be trusted and used to demonstrate you have investigated the relevant avenues of inquiry. When it comes to compliance with the money laundering regulations, you are required to fully investigate your customers and ensure they are who they say they are and are entitled to sell what they are telling you they want to sell. Land Registry's title document verifies the ownership of the property. This is important both when confirming the identity of your vendors and ensuring you complete customer due diligence on all the relevant parties. For example, if husband and wife are on the title, you will need to complete customer due diligence on both. It also helps when confirming the identity of a landlord. There has been a sharp rise in fraud cases where tenants impersonate landlords using fake documents in order to sell the property and pocket the proceeds without the landlord finding out. The identification of the right sort of property is key to the scam. Let properties with no mortgage where the owners are not local, they seem to be a prime target. In such cases, it is advisable to do further investigation into the sale and identity of the sellers. The Consumer Protection from Unfair Trading Regulations superseded the Property Misdescriptions Act in 2014. CPRs, as they are more commonly known, require agents to provide information which could affect a prospective purchaser's decision to buy upfront. The liability for providing this information falls on both the agent and the vendor. However, it is not expected that costly and intrusive investigations are undertaken. A common sense approach is advised. If the property has a shared drive, the title and/or the title plan, advise of the extent of the responsibilities on both parties. If the road is private, the title will advise on what responsibilities the homeowners have of maintenance of drains and so on. If the boundary of the property is ambiguous, the title plan will outline the exact boundary as held by Land Registry. If the property is leasehold, the lease will advise on the management company, the length of the lease, and any maintenance fees, ground rent, or restrictions on the lease. All of this information is material information, as outlined by the CPRs. Importantly, should a transaction fall through because of anything your initial investigations did not uncover, this must be added to the listings to advise of. Not only is this compliant, it's good practice. How many times have you had transactions fall through 3, 6, or even 9 weeks down the line because of something coming up that a prospective purchaser could have been made aware of at a much earlier stage? Providing more information up front will reduce your risk of fall throughs. Landmark provide access to Land Registry at no additional fee to Land Registry pricing. The reports are simple to order and documentation is returned within 60 seconds. You can elect to have the tab optional on your account or save money by including it in one of our compliance packs. For more information about Land Registry checks, enabling access on your account, or incorporating them into one of our compliance packs, please do not hesitate to contact your account manager.